Hey there, fantastic home buyers and sellers. In a world where everything seems to be getting pricier, we at Landify.ca have some thrilling news to share. We're here for you, the people, and we're on a mission to give back in a big way. Imagine finding your dream home and then discovering that there's a way to get up to 50% cash back on your realtor's commission. It's not a dream, it's a reality we're offering to you. Here's an example. If your home is worth $1 million and the standard realtor commission is 2.5%, you'd get back $12,500. Now, get ready for the excitement. Meet Emily and James. Just like you, they were chasing their dream home. With Landify.ca, they paid only a 1% commission instead of the standard 2.5%. Imagine that. They saved incredible amounts, only paying 1% instead of 2.5%. That's high savings and high excitement. In a world where every dollar counts, this is our chance to make homeownership a reality for you. We're not just a real estate company. We're your partners in turning dreams into keys to your very own home. So don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Reach out to Felicia Pizzonia and Richard Foltes at Landify.ca. They are here, waiting to help you make your dreams come true. Ready to take the lead? Contact Felicia and Richard at Landify.ca and let's make your homeownership dreams a reality today.